Hemlane Rental Housing Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get property management platforms wrong. They think they are only for large landlords. Hemlane is different. The surprising truth is how it simplifies leasing, tenant communication, and maintenance tracking, and you won't believe how much time it can save for individual property owners. Here's how it works. Hemlane allows landlords to manage listings, screen tenants, collect rent, and coordinate maintenance online. Tenants can pay securely through the platform, submit maintenance requests, and communicate directly with landlords. For example, a landlord with a few rental units can automate rent collection, track payment history, and handle lease renewals without manual paperwork. Most people get this wrong. They assume property management software is expensive or overcomplicated, but Hemlane is intuitive and scalable. Additional features include automatic reminders, background and credit checks, customizable leases, and maintenance tracking with vendor communication. However, there are considerations. Full features require subscription, and some property types may need manual intervention for local regulations. Most people assume Hemlane replaces all in-person management it supports, but doesn't entirely replace landlord oversight. In conclusion, Hemlane is ideal for landlords who want efficient, streamlined property management. Its automation, tenant communication, and maintenance tools save time while keeping operations organized and transparent. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of rental housing and property management tools.